Ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL kala prasang kat bala bankier na kajing Pyntreikam ya ka load shedding ne kajing pelip boarding hapo kajila. Haba pentip ya kane ne kaskinengkong menteri katanat boarding ati Mondal ulaong ba yang mentahi 4 Pyntreikam ya ka load shedding bat dangle ya kikam pan pentikina banum Pyntreikam ya ka load shedding kat kabala.
One reason is because of load shedding. The other reason because of shutdown. Now load shedding means we do not have any source of energy and ultimately we have no option but to go for power cut. The second reason is shutdown. Shutdown happens due to various reasons. And these reasons are maybe conductor is snapping, maybe lightning, maybe transformer burning, trees falling on the live wires and all these things. Then our people take shutdown to repair substation, to repair transformer, to repair the lines and all these things. As of now, we have not gone for any load shedding, and we are working to see that as far as possible will not go for load shedding. Our first target was to see that this time board examination, all the board examination should pass without any interruption, and we are happy to say that we have done that. Second thing, we decided that election also should see that there is no load shedding. We have completed that one. Now we are trying our level best to see that we don't go for any load shedding. But as you all of you are aware that our major source of electricity is from hydropowers, state-owned hydropowers, and this depends on the rainfall. This year also, like last year, rain is a little bit delaying, and we are just hoping that it should land in Meghalaya maybe in next couple of weeks. And if that is the case, then hopefully we will not go for any load shedding. The mandate from Honorable Chief Minister is that we'll have to provide uninterrupted power supply. We are working on that line. Let us hope that we'll achieve that.